guys, welcome to my channel. Hi makeup friends. So let's open this Jeffree Star. It's a mystery one.
You got a Jeffree Star mystery box?
Yeah.
This is the big one too, right?
Yeah, so we got this little one.
So the last video we reviewed the $40 box. Now we're gonna go with the big mystery box. You guys ready?
Yep.
Alright, so Lola's gonna open it right now. Okay, we're gonna put everything on the table. Why don't you hand it to me? And then I'm gonna go through one item at a time. Go.
It comes with 2 highlighters.
Great. Okay, let's put those down.
1 lip liner.
1 lip liner, awesome.
It comes with 1 lipstick.
Perfect.
You guys see it?
Yeah, we can open it.
3 liquid lipstick.
Ooh, 3 liquid lipsticks. Let's
open
them.
this one and take turns.
We have is Posh Spice.
Posh Spice.
I'm gonna let her open it up. I'll be right back.
So I love the pink one and the blue one.
What's the name of this one?
Diamond.
Diamond. Okay, let's open it up.
Yep. The last one is Dream House.
Dream House. Okay, let's open that up.
This is actually I'm wearing this.
What? You're actually wearing Dream House right now? Let me zoom in on you. Oh, pretty. Okay, we'll swatch it later. Okay, we'll test it out after. I'll give you a minute to open it up.
The last night is the shirt.
Oh, cool. The last item is a shirt. It says, I think it says can't relate. We'll open that up later, okay?
Yep.
Alright, we're gonna put some stuff down and we're gonna swatch all the items so your friends can see.
But right here.
Okay, great. Let's swatch Dream House for our friends. That way, our friends can see what it looks like. Go ahead and swatch it. Ooh, look at that.
That's so bright. I'm wearing.
Okay, perfect. Okay, up next we have Diamond.
This is too much like that.
It's okay, just swatch a little thin line so our friends
Like
can
this?
see. Looks good.
Actually, the Jeffree Star pet is a dog in Diamond.
What? I didn't even know that. Jeffree Star's dog name is Diamond?
Yep.
You just taught me something new. So cool. Okay, let's do the last coloring. Okay, Lola, pick up the Posh Spice and we'll swatch it for your friends. Good job.
A little bit like that.
Yeah, that's perfect. Very good. Okay, Lola, let me see your hand. Okay, let's take a closer look. Wow. Some beautiful colors right here. Lola, this is what? The lip liner, right?
A lip liner is so creamy.
It's Posh Spice. Yay!
It's so creamy.
Okay, let's swatch it for our friends.
Okay. So we got this new one. I'm gonna use this off.
There it is. Maybe your hand's a little wet, but you could see it right there.
This is there's 2 highlighters.
Whoa, look at that. Let's shine it for our friends. That's amazing. So we got the 2 highlighters. The one over here, it's Frozen Peach. And the other one right here is Lavender Snow. Do you like what they look like, Lola?
I like this one.
You like that one?
This one.
They're both super cool.
The last one is Jeffree Star lipstick.
Cool, let's open it up. Wow.
Last time my mom did another video with this Jeffree Star.
Wow. Use the bottom of your hand right there. Perfect. So let's swatch it there. And then we'll show our friends, okay?
It looks like pink.
It's beautiful.
It's beautiful.
Okay, let's look at it. Wow, that's the color of that.
Hi guys, click the bell button, subscribe to make it more white, and bye, makeup friends.
Thank you, makeup friends, for watching our video.
So you like, subscribe, get a thumbs up.
Hey, thank you for your time, Lola and our friends. We hope you like this. Please give us a like, thumbs up, and subscribe for more cool makeup and toys videos.
Bye.
Bye.